Welcome back everyone to my channel. Today I will be sharing my healthy, sweet and spicy crispy Kung Pao cauliflower. You can easily pair this with rice or quinoa or on its own. This recipe is easily customizable to your personal preference, and you could also swap cauliflower with chicken or shrimp. So let's get started and cut our cauliflower into bite-sized pieces and soak it into hot water for a few minutes. Then we'll start chopping our remaining vegetables. Chop the bell peppers into cubes and finely chop the spring onions and 2 red chilies. Then cut 1 red onion into cubes. Pat dry the cauliflower on a paper towel, and after that we'll start preparing our batter to coat them with all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper and white pepper. Mix all the dry ingredients and add around a cup of water to make a thick consistency paste. Add the florets into the batter and coat them evenly. Heat some oil to fry the florets, or alternatively, you can also bake them in an oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Fry them, turning occasionally until they are golden brown, and then transfer the fried pieces to paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Similarly, fry all the pieces. We'll quickly prepare our Kung Pao sauce. In a bowl, add a teaspoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of chili flakes, some hot sauce and salt to taste. Mix them together and our Kung Pao sauce is ready. In the same pot, remove the oil and wipe it out. Add a tablespoon of oil, heat it up, and then add some crushed garlic. When the garlic turns light golden, add the onions. Saute them for a minute and then add the bell peppers. Then add the Kung Pao sauce we made. Add the chopped red chilies and spring onion. Now add the fried cauliflower into the pot and give it a mix. Add some cashews, or you can also add some peanuts, and garnish with some spring onions. Our crispy homemade Kung Pao cauliflower is ready to be served. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.